Every premium smartphone begins with carefully inspected raw materials. Only certified metals and electronic-grade components continue into production. Titanium billets are cut into compact blocks for machining. Precision dimensions reduce waste and improve accuracy. 5-axis CNC machining creates the smartphone's structural frame. Every cut is controlled within microscopic tolerances. Every internal cavity is machined with exceptional precision to accommodate each electronic component. Micron-level accuracy. Every opening is drilled with micron-level precision. Perfect alignment is essential for premium performance. Robotic finishing removes even the smallest imperfections. The frame is prepared for precision surface treatment. Ultrasonic cleaning removes invisible contaminants. A perfectly clean surface is critical before plating. Moisture is completely removed before finishing. A flawless surface begins with perfectly clean metal. Mechanical polishing creates an exceptionally smooth finish. The surface is prepared for luxury-grade coating. A mirror finish enhances both appearance and coating quality. Surface perfection is checked under bright inspection lights. Surface activation improves metal adhesion. This step prepares the frame for premium plating. A conductive base layer strengthens the final finish. It also improves long-term durability. Pure 24-karat gold is prepared for electroplating. Precise chemistry ensures a consistent finish. The first layer of pure gold begins forming. Uniform deposition creates a premium luxury finish. Multiple plating cycles build a durable gold finish. The luxury frame is now ready for post-plating inspection. The plated frame is rinsed with ultra-pure water. Every chemical residue is removed before inspection. Filtered air dries every surface evenly. The gold finish remains perfectly spotless.
Advanced vision systems inspect every plated surface. Only flawless frames continue through production.
Laser engraving provides permanent product identification. Every premium frame receives a unique production code. The luxurious finish receives its final polish. The frame is now ready for assembly. Optical glass is cut with exceptional precision. Each panel matches the titanium frame exactly. Diamond grinding perfects every edge. Smooth contours improve strength and safety. Chemical strengthening increases glass durability. The display becomes more resistant to damage. Perfect cleanliness is essential for display quality. Even microscopic dust is eliminated. Precision alignment ensures perfect display performance. Robotic accuracy prevents even the smallest shift.
Vacuum lamination creates a crystal-clear display. No bubbles or distortions remain.
Each display undergoes comprehensive optical testing. Only perfect panels proceed. Optical lenses require exceptional clarity. Every surface is polished to perfection. Precision robotics assemble the advanced camera system. Every optical component is perfectly aligned.
Each camera is calibrated for maximum image quality. The electronic heart of the smartphone is next.
The motherboard begins as a precision multi-layer circuit board. Microscopic copper pathways connect every electronic component. Solder paste prepares every electrical connection. Perfect placement is essential for reliable assembly. Robots install thousands of miniature components. Each placement is accurate within fractions of a millimeter. Controlled heating permanently bonds every electronic component. Temperature accuracy protects delicate circuitry. Every solder joint is inspected automatically. Only defect-free boards continue. Each motherboard undergoes complete electrical testing. Only fully functional boards reach assembly. Every battery is tested before installation. Safety inspections ensure reliable performance.
Protection electronics safeguard the battery. Every connection is verified automatically.
Each battery completes a full performance test. Only approved units continue. Precision components create powerful smartphone audio. Each speaker is assembled with robotic accuracy. Every speaker is tested across its full frequency range. Balanced sound is essential for flagship quality.
The precision vibration motor delivers responsive haptic feedback. Every movement is carefully calibrated.
The wireless charging system is built with precision copper coils. Each module is electronically verified. All major components are prepared for assembly. The luxury smartphone is ready to take shape. The premium electronics are installed into the gold-plated frame. The flagship smartphone now enters its final assembly stage. The high-capacity battery is installed with robotic precision. Thermal adhesive secures it firmly inside the titanium frame. The battery is electrically connected to the motherboard. Every connection is verified before assembly continues. The wireless charging module is installed. It enables efficient cable-free charging. The stereo speaker system is fitted into the chassis. Precise alignment ensures balanced premium sound. The haptic engine delivers precise tactile feedback. It is securely mounted before testing. The flagship camera system is carefully installed. Microscopic alignment ensures exceptional image quality. Every camera connector is securely attached. Reliable communication is verified instantly. The front sensor array is assembled. Every optical component is precisely positioned.
Protective shielding reduces electronic interference. It safeguards the smartphone's internal circuitry.
Advanced cooling components improve thermal performance. Efficient heat management protects flagship hardware. A precision adhesive seal is applied. It provides both strength and water resistance. The premium OLED display is installed. Perfect alignment ensures flawless operation. The display is electronically connected. The smartphone is now ready for its first startup. The smartphone powers on successfully. Every major system begins its first diagnostic sequence. Every feature is tested before approval. The luxury smartphone now enters final quality inspection. Every major function is tested automatically. Only fully operational devices move forward. Wireless systems are calibrated inside a shielded chamber. Signal strength and stability are precisely optimized. Charging performance is carefully measured. Battery efficiency must meet flagship standards. Every surface is inspected under intense lighting. The luxury finish must be completely flawless. Protective films preserve the mirror finish. The device is protected during shipping. Premium accessories complete the package. Each item is carefully organized for presentation. The premium presentation box is assembled. Luxury packaging reflects the value inside. The finished smartphone enters its luxury presentation box. Every component is perfectly arranged. Every package receives unique identification. Security seals guarantee authenticity. Automated scales verify complete packaging. Every finished box must meet exact specifications. Security seals protect every package. The product is now ready for shipment. Retail boxes are packed for safe transportation. Protective packaging minimizes shipping risk. Automated logistics prepare worldwide deliveries. Every shipment is digitally tracked. From raw materials to a masterpiece of engineering, every detail reflects precision and luxury.